perfectly overcast summer day, allowing for 4 hours of flyable weather in one afternoon. It's a rarity. We had a lot of rain, so I went to see where it was flooded, all up and down the damn river basin. This really might have been a bald eagle. We have them at the Dan River, so I gave him a wide berth. I'm trying to get out of there, actually. My first flight was about 48 minutes around Shiloh Airport, and on my way to the other side of the county, I decided to stop, get some fuel, get a good landing, and to take off or launch in. It's just extra practice. Deborah Rouse owns this field as well as all of these houses around here, which are assisted living houses. And they love to see me fly, so they asked me to fly as low as I can or feel comfortable every time I come by there. That's what that was. Otherwise, I would not fly that low anywhere near where people could be. All right, so I've gotten 45 minutes of flying. It is not 5 o'clock yet on a almost June day, May like 25th or something. I've got like 4 more hours of flying, I think, available. So I'm gonna go easy, try not to wreck my ship, see how many flights I can get in today, or at least how many hours of flying I can get in today. All right. This is a friend of mine, family's cow field, and at one time his dad wanted to make this into an airport for a little 150, and he just never could quite get the drainage right, so he couldn't trust it. But with my 150 foot runway needs, I can trust it all day, so he doesn't mind if I go over there and land every once in a while, so long as I stay away from the cows or don't disrupt them. And as you can see, they're over there by themselves, and they're happy as they can be. Now, I know this camera work doesn't really show a whole lot because of the stupid smudge on the lens, but you can see here one of the last floodings that we had at Lindsay Bridge next to Pine Hall before the Lindsay Bridge Dam was torn down to make way for the new state park. So then I flew back over here over to Mayodan. As you can see, the Mayo River is also flooded. The dam is usually a 15 to 16 foot high wall, and you can see from there that it was really not that much of a fall. So now I am over my friend Crockett Saunders' house, his kids, and his across the street neighbor, their kids love to see me fly, so I always go by there. After this, I fly over to River Road, and this is the crossing, River Road over 220. Then I'm back at the house, and it's been a very long day. I know that it was way more than my camera could hold, so I didn't get footage of the entire day. It was really fun though. Anyways, thanks for watching. I have a ton of footage that I just haven't gone through yet. A lot of stuff has happened since last June, and I can't wait to share. I am hoping to attend an SIV class, and then an instructor course, and a tandem course, and all of that is coming, and I hope that y'all will subscribe and watch and hit the bell or whatever. The main thing is just to watch this stupid landing. Nobody should do this stupid stuff. It was taught to me in training, and really, it's not a good practice. So here you go.
Thaw the wing out, slow it down, and just so I can hit my mark. It's kind of dangerous. Next time, I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna be cooler than that. Because, daggone, I am cooler than that.